Today we are going to write a program in Java to add all the odd numbers within a given range. Here we will use the scanner class to take the inputs. So before starting the program, we should know what is an odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. And in our program, it has been said that we have to print the sum of the odd numbers in a given range. Say for example, the given range is we have to add up all the odd numbers between the number 5 and 20. Then what we have to do, we will find that the odd numbers are 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So we will add up this number and the result is 96. So we have to write a program to give the result 96 by adding up all the odd numbers between the range 5 and 20, or are within a given range. So for that, we are going to start the program, start the Java program. So for that, open notepad. Since we are using the scanner class, so we will import the package, import java dot util package dot start, and write the class public class. I'm writing the name of this program is odd add odd sum. Okay, then write the main function public static void main string args. So here we have to give a range. So I'm taking the range to be as a lower range, lower lower. I will take the it to be lower and the range to be as upper. These are the two range. There is the upper range and the lower range. Fine. Then and one more variable we have to take, that is sum, because we have to add and we are initializing it to be 0. Okay, since we are using the scanner class, we will write scanner. I am taking the object to be sc is equal to new scanner, then system.in. Then we have to take the first, we have to take the lower limit. So we will write system dot out dot println, enter the lower limit. It will appear in the screen. Enter the lower range or the limit, range, range. Okay, so after that we will give the lower value as lower is equal to, since lower is an integer value, so I will write sc dot next I capital int. This is the function to take the input values. Similarly, for taking the upper values, we will copy this line, simply write the lower, or the we can say upper range. Upper range is this one, so here I will write upper because I have declared the variable name as upper. So this is the lower value and the upper value, we have got it. Now we have to add up. For that we have to take a loop. For I am taking the variable int I is equal to, suppose I am taking the variable first value to be as 1, and I am taking incrementing that condition until all the values has been existed, and all the values here is sorry, here I cannot be 1, it is the lower value. From the lower value you will go up to the upper value. Fine. If the range is not given, say for example the lower range is not given, then we will put the lower value to be 1. Okay, since we are giving the lower value, if it is mentioned that print odd numbers, or we can say some of the odd numbers starting from 1, then we will put here 1. But if the range has been given, then here the lower value will be given, I will be equal to lower, and we will execute the loop up to the upper value, and we will increment it the I value, I plus plus. Here what happened, what we have to do here, after that we have to add up what, sum. Initially the sum value is equal to 0 plus the first value. What is the first value? I. The first value is the lower value, the I value will be stored, then it will be incremented one by one. Okay, but we have to check if it is an odd number, only then only it is add up. So we have to write if I modulus of 2 is not equal to 0. That means when it is not divisible by 2, then only add it. Otherwise, don't add it. If we don't write the if statement, then what happen? It will add up all the numbers. It will not check whether it is an even number or odd number. It will add up all the numbers. If we give any if statement, then what happen? If the condition is satisfied, that means I modulus of 2. The meaning of this particular condition is that when the number, the lower limit, suppose I am taking the lower limit to be 5. 5 modulus of 2 is 0. If it is 0, okay, if it is not 0, say for example, if it is not 0, then we have the meaning of that one is it is not a uh, even number, it is an odd number. Okay, and if it is divisible by 2, then that means it is an even number. So we are adding only the odd numbers, therefore we have taken I modulus of 2 not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then add up. Okay, now everything has been add up. Now I want the result to be printed. Whatever result has been printed, we will print it using system.out.println. Sum of the odd numbers, sum of the odd numbers between what range is given, between, plus the range is lower, and and between lower and the upper is what we have to write, where we are storing this particular value is stored in the variable sum. So I'm writing sum, end of this line. Now save this program by using the class name awesome. Here I am saving. I am writing awesome.java. Okay, so a little bit summation, write it summation, because I think that already exists. Summation, I am writing here odd summation. No problem, you can write the name again. Here, save it. I have already written one program with odd sum, that's why I am renaming it to be odd summation.java. Java. Done. Save it. After saving it, go to command prompt, cmd, open cmd. Okay, go to the particular folder where you have saved it. I have saved it in F drive. Okay, go to cd, within the folder JVS tutorial, then within the folder program. Okay, then Java C, I'm writing Java C, then the file name .java, that is odd summation. So this is the odd summation is the file name, so odd summation.java. After odd summation of .java, what we have to do, after odd summation of Java, compile it. If there is any error, the error will come out. So there is no error, then run the program. For running the program, we will simply delete this Java, simply write Java, then the file name. Okay, press enter. It will ask for the lower limit. Suppose I am taking the lower limit to be 5, and it will ask for the upper limit. Suppose of the upper limit I am taking to be 20. Okay, then it will add up all the odd numbers between 5 and 20, and it will give us the result as the sum of the odd numbers between 5 and 20 is 96. That means the sum of the odd number is 96. So this is the way how we can add all the odd numbers between a given range. We can do the same thing for even numbers also. Only the thing is that in our particular program, what we modification we have done, that we have to do, in place of not equal to, we have to put it as equal to. Okay, then what happen, all the even numbers within the given range will be add up. Fine. So the same program I have shown in this slide also, so you can go through this program. Okay, here the lower and upper has been written as range 1 and range 2. That is, the lower range will be the range 1 and lower range 2 will be the upper range. Okay, then we have add up all the numbers between the particular range. Okay, this is the way how we can compile and execute a program. So for compilation, what we have to write Java C, then the file name .java, and for executing, what we have to write, we have to write Java, then the file name without extension, without .java, we have to write Java, then file name. Okay, then it will ask for the first, it will ask for iterative input. First it will ask for the lower limit, then it will ask for the upper limit, then it will show us the result, that is what is the sum of the odd numbers. So this is the end of the program. So hopefully you have understood everything. So if you like my channel, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.